Good morning, grade 2. This is Sarah Ali. Today we're gonna start with lesson 11.3. That's for at your book it is 11.3, two-dimensional shapes. So we're gonna talk about two-dimensional shapes. What's the meaning of two-dimensional shapes? That has two dimensions. For example, okay, guys. For example, if I want to draw square, for example, you can draw whatever you want. The square has two dimensions. Length, this is the first dimension. Width, two dimensions. So this is why we called it two-dimensional shapes or 2D shapes. And if I want to draw a rectangular prism, for example, where's that? Okay, hold on. I want to show you the difference between 2D and 3D shapes. Okay. Hold on. Okay, this is rectangular prism. Rectangular prism has three dimensions: length, width, and height. 3D, three-dimensional. So this is a 3D shape. This is a 3D shape because it has three dimensions: length, width, and height. 3D shape. Okay, this is 2D shape because it has only two dimensions. Okay, two dimensions, length and width. This is the difference between 2D and 3D shapes. Before we start, let us watch this video together. Yep, guys. Okay, so before we start, you should know today we're gonna name the shapes by knowing just the number of sides. Sides, that means the length, and vertices. Okay, yeah, let us start.
Hi there. Looks like someone lost a kite. Click the kite to find out how many sides and vertices it has.
Yeah, sides and vertices.
Okay, this kite has 4 sides. And it has 4 vertices. This kite has 4 sides and 4 vertices, but it's not a square or a rectangle. I wonder if there's another name for a 4-sided two-dimensional shape. Oh, come on, let's find out.
Yeah.
There are lots of shapes with 4 sides. Let's draw one on the dot paper. Click the dot to draw a side.
We're gonna draw a shape.
Continue to draw the other sides. Keep going. You're almost finished. This shape with 4 sides is a rectangle. Now let's draw another shape with 4 sides. Click the dot to draw a side.
Okay, so guys, the first shape we have here that has 4 sides. You already know that this is the side. This is side. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Rectangle. The first shape is rectangle. We're gonna draw another shape with 4 sides. Let us see.
Draw another side. Keep going. One more side. This shape is a square. How are the shapes alike? Both have 4 sides. How are the shapes different? The rectangle is bigger than the square. All the sides of the square are the same length.
Okay, so we have rectangle and square. The rectangle is bigger than square, okay? The sides of the square, here's the side, are the same, are equal to each other, okay? This is rectangle, square. You should know, guys. Has 4 sides. 4 sides, 4 vertices. Let us see. Okay, can you see? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's go next.
The vertex of a two-dimensional shape is the point where two sides meet. You can count the sides and vertices of two-dimensional shapes. If you know how many sides and vertices a shape has, you can name the shape. Let's count the sides of this shape.
Yep. So let us count how many sides, how many lines I have, and how many vertices. Yep.
1, 2, 3 sides. Now let's count the vertices.
Yep.
1, 2, 3 vertices. This shape is a triangle. All triangles have 3 sides and 3 vertices. Let's count the sides of this shape.
So the first shape we should know that is triangle. Tri for 3. Tri means 3. Can you see, guys? Tri means 3. So this triangle, triangle. For example, it is triangle, triangle, because it has 3 sides, 3 vertices. Triangle, triangle. So this tri and angle. This is the angle, guys. This is the angle. So we have 3 angles. Triangle, triangle. 3 vertices, three sides. Triangle, triangle. Okay, yeah, let's see this shape.
This shape has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Now let's count the vertices.
So we have 4 sides. Let us count the vertices.
1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. This shape is a quadrilateral. Any 4-sided shape is called a quadrilateral. All quadrilaterals have 4 sides and 4 vertices. Rectangles and squares are special quadrilaterals. Now it's your turn. Count the sides and vertices on this shape. Click to count each side.
Okay, hold on.
The vertex of a two-dimensional shape is the point where 2 sides meet. You can count the sides.
Okay, so this shape is quadra, okay? Repeat after me, quadrilateral or quadrilateral, okay, guys? So quadra. That means 4. Tri means 3. This is 3 angle, okay? So triangle, triangle, okay? Triangle. Quadra means 4, so it is quadrilateral. Quadrilateral, or you can say quadrilateral, okay? Let's say quadri. This is not quadrilateral, okay? Because it has 4 sides and four vertices. Any number that has 4 sides and 4 vertices, you can call it quadrilateral. Okay, guys? For example, rectangle is quadrilateral, square is quadrilateral. Any shape, okay, guys? Yep. Let's continue.
The quadrilateral. Any 4-sided shape is called a quadrilateral. All quadrilaterals have 4 sides and 4 vertices. Rectangles and squares are special quadrilaterals. Now it's your turn. Count the sides and vertices on this shape.
Yep.
Click to count each side. 1.
So this is the first one. 2.
2, 3, 4, 5.
How many
There are
sides,
5
guys?
sides.
Okay.
Now count the vertices.
Let's see how many vertex we have. 1.
1, 2,
Okay.
3, 4, 5.
5
There
vertices.
are 5 vertices. This shape is a pentagon. Pentagons have 5 sides and 5 vertices. How many sides and vertices do...
Okay. So the third shape we should know today is pentagon. Pentagon. Okay. So pent means 5. So any shape has 5 sides and 5 vertices. We call it pentagon. Pentagon. Okay. Yep. For example, the Pentagon that in the United States, the people who get together, because it has 5 sides. The place that people get meeting together, because it has 5 sides, so we called it pentagon. Pentagon. Okay, let's see this one. Yep.
Does this shape have? Start by counting the sides.
Yep. I'm gonna count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and
How
6.
many sides are there?
6 sides.
Excellent. There are 6 sides.
Okay.
Now count the vertices.
Let's see the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How many vertices are there? Good job. There are 6 vertices. This shape is a hexagon. All hexagons have 6 sides and 6 vertices. For each kind of shape, the number of sides and the number of vertices.
Okay, let us see. Hexagon, hexagon, hex means 6. Okay, guys, as we take before. Pentagon means 5. Pen alone means 5. So pentagon, gun, tagon, gun, that is sides. So 5 sides. Okay, hexagon means 6. Hex alone means 6. Okay, it is a Roman. Hex means 6. So hexagon. Okay, so 6 sides and 6 vertices. Okay, so can you see it? 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices. All the sides and vertices are equal to each other. Let us see.
These are the same.
Okay, I think we're done.
Now let's practice with the personal math trainer.
Done. So let's go back to our book. Okay? Again, you can count sides and vertices to name 2-dimensional shapes. Look how many sides and vertices each shape has. So the first shape is
Triangle.
okay. It is triangle.
Side. Vertex. 3 sides, 3 vertices.
Okay, thank you. Triangle. I said before, there's tri and angle. Triangle. Triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. So triangle. For example, let's see the second shape.
Quadrilateral. 4 sides, blank vertices.
Okay, quadrilateral or quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. 4 sides, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 vertices. Okay. What about this shape?
Pentagon. Blank sides, blank vertices.
Okay. Pentagon. Pent means 5. So it's 5 sides, or you can count, and 5 vertices. Okay, what about this one?
Hexagon. Blank sides, blank vertices.
So hexagon. No one says hex. It is hexagon. Okay. So it is 6 sides and 6 vertices. Guys, please practice on their names. Please. It's so important to know their names. Okay. Okay. Yep. Yeah. So I think it's not it's the same. Guys, you should count and write the number. So for example, I have here, okay, just wanna press X here. For example, I have here 3 sides, 3 vertices. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 sides and 6 vertices. It is hexagon or hexagon. Okay, pentagon. I have 5. You should know pent means 5, and 5 vertices. Please write in your book. Okay, gonna move. how many sides and how many vertices, guys, you should count and write the name here. For example, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides and 6 vertices. Should be the same, always the same. So it is which one? Pentagon, triangle, hexagon, or quadrilateral? It is hexagon. Hexagon. Okay. I'm not doing all of them. You should do it by your. I want you to practice. For example, count and find how many sides. Okay. Some of them will be the same. For example, this 5 and 6 have the same number of sides. No, not 5 and 6. There's another one. Yes, 5 and 9. Sorry, has the same number of sides. It's okay. Okay, guys. And 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, okay. You can name. I count and name, guys, by your own. I'm not doing it with you. Okay, so draw more sides. We have pentagon. So how many sides that pentagon has? It has 5. 5 sides. Okay, to draw more, you should know how many units. So the pentagon has 1, 2 units each time, 2 units. 1, 2. So we should draw another 2 sides that is what that is 2 points length. For example, 1, 2. We can say another 1, 2. Let's see. 1, 2, 1, 2. For example, we can draw it like okay. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna change the color. Okay, sorry guys. Hold on. I wanna delete it. Okay. Can you see? This is pentagon. It's up to you. It has 5. You can draw however you want. Okay, but should have 5 sides. Quadrilateral has only 4. 4. Let's see how many units we have. We have 1. It's up to you. 2, 1, 2. Okay, so each time you should draw 2 units and 2 line. Okay, we're gonna draw 1, 2. Maybe gonna draw it like this. It's up to you. I want to draw it like this, guys, and like this. This is a quadrilateral. Okay, hexagon has 6 sides. Okay, each side has 2 units. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3. You should keep counting until 6. For example, 3. Maybe gonna write it like this: 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, just 7. Okay, sorry guys. And like this. This is 6. 3, 4, 5, and 6. It's up to you. This is a hexagon. Okay? Let's see. Next page. It's not the same as your book, but I'm going to solve for some of them. This is a question 13. Yes, it is the same. Alex is making, okay, and that's it, and it's not the same. Okay, exactly the same. Is making a pentagon with a straw. Okay, straw, you know it, مصاصة. He uses 1 straw for each side of each shape. How many straws does he need? So hexagon Where's hexagon? Here. How many sides the hexagon has? Guys, how many sides? 6 sides and 6 vertices and 6 straws. Only 6, that's it. Okay, so number 14, it is a homework. Question number 14, homework. You should do it by your own. Number 15, this is number 15, guys, in your book. Ed draws a shape that has 4 sides. It's not a square. It's not a rectangle. Draw a shape that could be its shape. Okay, it's not a square. You can draw anything, but not square rectangle, but has 4 sides. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's up to you. Okay, anything. And okay, and question number 16 is a homework. For today, you have 2 questions, number 14 and number 16, but because I didn't have it in my book. So number 14 says that Mr. Johnson buys 2 boxes of crayons. There are 8 crayons in each box. How many crayons are in the 2 books? You should add them together like 8 and 8. That's it, guys. Okay, guys, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.